Hey, hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope from you are very well, happy and safe at your home. If you have any problem, you can ask me. I am here to cooperate you always and guide you always. I am your teacher, Mansi ma'am. Potter, Potter, Potter means a person who makes pots. Person who makes pots. Demanded means asked for in a strong manner. Asked for in a strong manner. Demanded. Smoked, darkened because of smoke. Darkened because of smoke. Twig means a thin woody stem of a tree. A thin woody stem of a tree. Talent. Talent means skill. Talent means skill. Eagerly means a strong warning to do something. Strong wanting. Strong wanting to do something eagerly. Selfish means to care only about own needs, wishes. Selfish means to care only about own needs, wishes. Pauper means very poor person. Disappointed means upset because one's wishes are not fulfilled. Upset because one's wishes are not fulfilled. Disappointed. Came to life means to be alive. Came to life means to be alive. Lantern festival means Chinese festival celebrated by making and watching lanterns. It marks the end of a new year. Chinese festival celebrated by making and watching lantern. It mark it mark the end of a new year. Wisely means using good sense of judgment. Wisely means using good sense of judgment. Emperor means ruler on a empire. Ruler on a empire. Furious means very angry. Prison means a place for people who have committed crime. A place for people who have committed crime. To command means to give order. To command means to give order. Okay, my dear students, you have to fill it. Oh, sorry. You have to write down all word meanings from your book in your notebook and send me quickly. It is your homework. You have to do this work. I'm waiting. Okay, my dear students, this is your home assignment. So you have to do it. To command, to give order. Furious means very angry. Prison means a place for people who have committed crime. Sorry. Came to life, to be alive. Latin festival, Chinese festival celebrated by making and watching lanterns. It marks the end of new year. Wisely. Wisely, using good sense of judgment. Emperor, ruler of an empire. Ruler of an empire. Selfish means to care only about on needs. Selfish means to care only about on needs, wishes. Pauper means very poor person. Disappointed means upset because one's wishes are not fulfilled. Smoked. Smoked means dark, darkened because of smoke. Twig, a thin woody stem of a tree. Talent is skill. Eagerly, strongly wanting to do something. Demanded, asked for in a strong manner. Potter, person who makes pots. Okay, my dear friends, you have to write it and send me quickly. You have to write in your notebook and send me quickly. Okay, goodbye, all of you.